In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a task template in your project. By the end, you'll have a reliable way to spin up consistent, high-quality tasks in seconds without reinventing the wheel each time. Start by opening the project where you want this template to live. If you're starting from scratch, create a new project with the structure you typically use so the template fits naturally into your workflow. Keeping templates inside the project where they'll be used makes them easy to find and ensures the same permissions and conventions apply. Next, create a task that contains every standard detail you want to reuse. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it as your template later. In the task description, include the recurring context, instructions, and acceptance criteria you always need. Add subtasks that reflect the usual sequence of work, each with concise action wording. Attach any reference files or checklists that are reused often, like brief templates or standard operating procedures. If your tool supports custom fields, add the ones you consistently depend on, such as priority, complexity, channel, or component. Keep anything time-sensitive or person-specific out of the template so you don't have to undo it later. For example, avoid setting due dates and leave assignees blank unless they never change. With the task fully defined, open its Options menu, often found under a three dots icon, and select Convert to Template. This tells your project tool to treat the task as a reusable blueprint, preserving the description, subtasks, attachments, and custom fields so they're ready to be copied on demand. Think of it as freezing your best version, so every new task starts with the same strong foundation. From now on, whenever you need a similar task, use the template by duplicating it. Create a copy, then immediately customize the essentials. Update the title to match the specific request, adjust dates and assignees, and tweak any fields or subtasks that vary this time. Confirm attachments are still relevant and remove anything not needed for the new instance. Keep the original template untouched so it remains a clean starting point for future work. If your processes evolve, revisit the template periodically to refine the description, adjust subtasks, or swap in fresher reference materials so your team keeps benefiting from the latest best practices. That's it. By building one solid template and duplicating it for each new request, you'll save time, reduce errors, and keep your project organized and consistent.